This is the Chasing Buffaloes hat. It begins with a German twisted cast-on. The ribbing is purl 2, knit 1 through the back, and these knit 1 through the back lines become the main colored lines that travel through the motif. This is the end of round right here. You can see that the cables cross over the end of the round so that the cables travel all the way around the hat. The motif continues until you reach the crown of the hat where the decreases start. At the crown of the hat, we form these main colored twisted cables. There are 4 of these cables, and they divide the hat into 4 equal sections. The decreases for the crown shaping happen on either side of these main colored twisted cables, and there will also be some contrast colored lines that form on either side of those main colored cables.